Lesson 8. Summary. Trailering is a safe, economical, and sustainable solution for a multitude of tasks for millions of people. To make sure your trailering experience is a positive one, remember these rules. Hitch system components ratings must be greater than the total trailer weight. Hook up properly and double-check the connections, including the chains or cables and lights. Load the trailer heavier in the front half or differently if the trailer manufacturer specifies a specific loading criteria. Secure your load. Reduce your normal driving speed. Increase your following distance. Slow down before going downhill. Drive downhill in a lower gear, not riding your brakes. Turn around sharp corners with a wider than normal turning radius. When backing up, hold onto the bottom of the steering wheel. Always wear your seatbelt. You may think that towing a trailer is something that you may never do, but there are so many uses for trailers. It's possible that you might have the need to rent a trailer for a do-it-yourself project, or have the opportunity to tow a trailer to haul camping gear for a weekend. Or you could be like tens of thousands of kids who use a trailer for the first time to move their stuff into a dorm heading off to college. When you do tow a trailer, use the information you've learned in these lessons, and it's a good idea to practice a bit before heading down the highway. Thanks and safe trailering.